Alam mo ba na mga kapatid na ang ating mga Miss Universe candidates, dito na po umiere sa 1PH.
I love it!
Ang Miss Universe Philippines. At sabay-sabay tayong manunood po mamayang gabi dito po sa Signal Channel 1. Yan. Magaganap ang Coronation Night sa Mall of Asia Arena. At para ang sa taong ito, no, 1PH ang sa taon na ito,
Yes.
1PH ngayong tahanan ng Miss Universe, guys. So, pakinggan nga natin.
This year has been deemed as one of the hardest batches to compete. Parang lahat kayo, makaunahan na dapat, di ba? Parang, that's a double-edged sword, really. So what are the pros and cons of, competing in a strong batch?
Well, I honestly think, although we all may be so wonderful, I think everyone is wonderful. Everyone is so friendly. This has been such a nice batch. This year, we've had no problems at all, and I just feel so grateful. I feel like we are all able to improve because we're so competitive.
The pro for me is that steel sharpens steel, and we've really been able to become the best versions of ourselves because we're surrounded by such incredible women. But the cons I would say are sometimes the fans can get a bit overexcited. And while we're all appreciative for your support, we're all friendly and we all love each other. So please don't take anything out on our co-candidates.
Yeah, actually, I've been seeing that. Thank you for bringing that up. Like, how do you settle it among your fandoms?
I always make story posts saying that I won't accept any support that comes at the expense of other women. And I know that my co-candidates really feel the same way. So just make sure you're only spreading love and positivity then.
Kasi magkakaibigan din kayo talaga.
Yeah, of course, we spend every day together for 3 months. So it sounds superficial when you hear, but it becomes a sisterhood talaga. Like, we've seen each other first thing in the morning, no makeup, walang breakfast pa, hungry. So, yeah.
Hungry talaga.
Yeah, same with Ate Adela po. It's the sisterhood talaga that we built in Miss Universe. And I'm really grateful for every woman, every girl.
Yeah, I mean, we all come from different backgrounds, so it's nice that we build each other up. And the more I get to know everyone, the more I'm inspired and want to become better as well. And I hope that translates to everyone watching us. And like Bea said, we definitely have to be kind to others because no one really knows what goes behind the scenes, and everyone only sees the beauty and the glam of it. But when they see what we actually have to go through to pursue our dreams, to pursue what we're doing here, then it becomes more relatable. But I think people have more empathy for us, that this is not an easy feat. And, but it's very fulfilling for all of us because at the end of the day, aside from winning the crown, we are here to build ourselves and make sure that we are the best version of ourselves.
Napabilib si Mamu.
Magaling sumagot. Ang
Napabilib ka,
tatalino.
no? Sabi
Oo.
sa'yo, mahirap tong batch na to.
At matatalino.
At
Wow.
isa lang yan na pinlay natin dahil grabe yung iba pa na candidates, napakagaling
Ang
din po
dami.
nila. 50 po sila na delegates rather. Hindi po candidates, delegates.
Delegates. Okay.
Ang
Bago na
tawag
pala.
daw.
Delegates.
Oo, delegates daw.
Okay.
Sabi, Uy, MJ,
gets ko.
delegates ha, hindi ka. Sabi,
Oo.
delegates.
Thank you.
Yes.
Kasi panahon ko, di ba
Candidates
nagko-cover din ako.
tayo.
Oh, candidates.
Oo,
di ba? Candidate number 1.
Oo, delegate. Oh.
Kasama sa pagbabago ng panahon.
Correct.
Okay.
At alam mo
Wow.
ba, wait lang, sorry, medyo off topic.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, hindi na pala extra yung tawag sa movies. Talents
Beat.
na.
Hindi na beat player din.
Hindi. Talents na.
Kasi panahon natin, again, extra
Extra.
beat player.
Di ba may movie pa si Vilma Santos?
Exactly,
So,
extra.
pag-usapan at ibalik lang natin dito sa Miss
Miss
Universe
Universe.
Philippines na grabe po, no? Kung dati 20 semifinalists lang, thank you sa kapatid nating Maya. 30 na po. Pwede na kayo mag-fan vote. 30 semifinalists. Humirap pa.
Ang hirap pa din.
Humirap din yung ganap, di ba? Dahil 30 na po sila sa semis na makakapasok.
Oo.
10 from the fans, 10 from the judges. 5 from Maya, 5 from the brand. Mga brand sponsors.
Okay, so
Ay, di,
iba-ibang
meron
awards yun.
Meron rin palang from MUO Wildcards.
Wow!
Ang
Pero
hirap.
final, 5 lang. Yung top 5, yung last 5, kumbaga, sa main,
Yes, oo.
sa mga main, ano ba to? Hindi
Correct,
prizes.
yung mga Q&A.
So, ayan,
pero
yan.
mamaya kasi actually, ang dyan, kahapon nagko-cover ako, napanood ko yung mga rehearsals, ganun. Pero bawal ko i-ere yung sound at yung sumasayaw sila kasi mape-preempt. Dahil pinahirapan daw
gets.
yung girls this year. Kung dati, di ba, sabi nga sa akin ni Executive Vice President Voltaire Tayag, sway-sway, kaway-kaway. Ngayon daw, papipa. Pinipop daw. Hirap na hirap yung mga girl. Oo.
Grabe, ang bilis. Dati ang dali lang. Sway-sway,
Oo.
kaway ko. Pipa, pang hirap nila
Oo,
dance step.
ganun. So yun daw yung
Grabe,
parang
level
peg
up.
ng ng entrada
Wow.
later ng opening number na talagang inaabangan ng Miss Universe Philippines. At alam mo ba, Mamu, na nakakatawa, no? Kasi diba nag-post tayo ng mga interview snippets nila.
Oh.
Yung mga fans, sobrang excited nila. Hinuhulaan ko may background music yung interview ko. Ganon, kaya ganon din kahigpit na hindi ko talaga, sinabi ko talaga sa editing ng balita kahapon, wag na wag yung iaano kung may tunog,
Oo.
wag na wag yung isasama pag sumasayaw sila.
Oo, para
Kasi
surprise.
mahuhulaan agad.
Pero saan ba mapapanood? Sa live streaming din, sa 1PH platforms mapapanood? O sa TV lang?
Sa TV ang alam
TV
ko.
lang. So wala.
Yeah,
Kasi
oo.
baka isipin nila dahil tayo
Signal
naka-live
Channel
stream, di ba?
1.
So sa Signal Channel mismo.
Oo. Ay,
Okay,
ipinats
sa
pa
TV.
confirm nga kung pati sa
Paki-confirm,
oo,
oo.
kung pati sa online natin.
Yes.
Kasi ang alam ko Signal Channel 1.
Ah,
At
okay,
bukas
okay.
ng 9 a.m. sa TV5.
Ayun. So parang replay na to.
Oo,
yung
replay.
TV5.
Replay. Alam
got
natin
it,
kung
got
sinong
it.
winner, napuyat na po ako. Kasi sasamahan ko po yung nanalo sa stage.
Grabe ka. Kulang na lang.
Mag-interview tayo.
Kung ako, ikaw ang kokoronohan ko bilang isang dakilang nanay award goes to...
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.